मान लो क्लास 5 में मॉनिटर थे या क्लास या क्लास रिप्रेजेंटेटिव थे, तो possibly you can avoid it. But in class 12, then it means that you are basically in a leadership position. Okay, so possibly you can mention it. Or you represented your school in UN model convention. कुछ model होते हैं, model UN conventions होते हैं. तो basically you represented your school. किसी Olympiad में आपने participate किया, you represented your school. That you could mention, right? Again, in case you do not have anything, you can write. You do not just leave it like this. Write nothing in particular. Okay. Nothing in particular. So as of now, there is nothing which you consider is important, but maybe there is something that you could think of which you have not written, okay, which could be there in your past, but you think is not that significant. So you are not leaving it out completely, but you're just mentioning that nothing in particular as of now.